You suggested it. If you are a follower on our Instagram, you followed for Skullhead to be the next 2 people video, and he's here. We're gonna do part 26 of the TurboDismount series. Hit the fan. All right, what car do you think would be perfect for this?
Let me pick a car.
All right, Skullhead's gonna pick one.
Okay, so I feel like the loco.
Loco. The choo-choo?
Choo-choo. Choo-choo train. Do a different pose.
Me and, if you haven't seen it, go check it out. Me and DefConf Little Boys did a video, and we called this, Thomas the Russian Getaway Train. If you're watching this, DefCon, hope you remember this. Full speed? Full speed. Right in the wall.
But you need to make like a ramp so I can go into that.
Ooh, that's a good idea. I'm going to let you do that. I'm going to put the ramp there, but so I'm going to let Skullhead do the one part.
Not a semi. Dude, no. Do like that one. No, like a shorter.
That one's alright. I think that one will land.
Oh, let me see.
Alright, should we do speed ramps?
Yeah.
Turbo pads? That's what we're going to do. Alright, Skullhead's going to go.
Okay.
We must ride to the bar.
Shit. Damn it. Oh, I'm gonna switch it.
Hang on.
No.
There's this one post that me and DefCon laughed about. I hope you remember this one, DefCon.
Demonetized.
He's gonna get demonetized.
Bro, I was talking to you, dummy. I said you're gonna get demonetized. Do you even know what demonetized means?
Not really. Alright, Skullhead's gonna go. Alright, we're gonna switch.
No, let me do it.
We're gonna switch the car. And I get to pick up the car this time. I'm gonna pick this one.
This one's stupid.
We're gonna go Star Wars. Alright, ready? Ooh, that's pretty good. Hopefully we're not lagging. Whoa! Crush. Don't restart it yet. I think we got a new high score. Alright,
I'm gonna try one more time.
Alright, I'm gonna let's go ahead and pick a new car. Actually, we're gonna do something new for this obstacle. We're gonna do bowling pins. Alright, Squad's gonna pick a car. What do you think would be good?
Private, or whatever it's called.
Alright, we're gonna do one more. Go ahead. We're gonna do one more each.
Like this. Let's go.
You missed.
Okay, let me do it one more time.
Alright, we're gonna get rid of the speed ramps then. Or just go really slow. Or not, don't listen to me.
It's going straight.
It's gonna go the other way, watch.
You will. Wait, let me do it one more time.
Nah.
No, that was gay.
You think everything's gay?
Like you. Oh! Get roasted, kid.
My nose is itchy. Alright, we're gonna go one more car. We're gonna go chicken.
And he's gonna do harder than me.
No, this is the last one.
No.
I said one more each.
No, I'm gonna go too.
Bruh.
Okay, I'm gonna try.
Do we have to get rid of the... Alright, we're gonna do one more each. I want to find out what I have to do to knock down all these pins.
Get rid of
Alright.
this one.
Get rid...
No, not both of them.
Don't yell at me.
Okay. Did I just get a strike?
Ooh, you missed one.
Wait, I think we're getting a high score.
Nah, I doubt it.
Oh.
Alright, just one more.
Dare you to bring out Big Bus.
Bringing out Big Maximus. The Transformer. Actually, go back. I want a good view. I want a good view of this. Alright, let's see if this knocks down. Let's see if this is the strike win. Hey. Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe to Skullhead Gamer Boy. He wants to do a video too, and he can't do that if you guys don't support him. So go subscribe to him today. Go subscribe to my other subscriptions. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch you on our next video. Bye.